Trust the process. Why setting up a private trust is your shield in 2025. With inflation at an all-time high, the economy teetering and the digital age closing in through surveillance, CBDCs, and global agendas, one thing is clear. If you don't have control over your name, your assets, or your estate, you're playing defense, not offense. Now more than ever, understanding how to stay private and protect your estate is a necessity, not a luxury. And it all starts with one powerful tool, a trust. What is a trust? A trust is a legal entity that holds, manages, and protects your assets for a specific purpose and group of people. Think of it like a vault you control from the outside. Once something is placed inside the trust, it's protected, often beyond the reach of creditors, probate court, and even taxation in some structures. There are two main types. Revocable trust. You maintain control and can change at any time. Irrevocable trust. Harder to change but offers stronger asset protection. But there's a third lane, private trusts. What is a private trust? A private trust is a contract. That's right, a private contract between you, the grantor, the trustee who manages it, and the beneficiaries who benefit from it. It doesn't have to be registered with the state. It's not filed in public record. It operates based on common law and contract law, both of which are protected by the U.S. Constitution. This is how the elite stay protected and stay in control, quietly. What's an estate? Your estate is everything you own. Money, property, intellectual property, digital assets, businesses, etc. Without a trust or estate plan, when you die, the state takes over through probate court. This process is public, expensive, and time-consuming. With a trust, your estate skips probate. Your wishes are honored privately, efficiently, and often tax-free. What is a foreign 98 number? A 98 EN, Employer Identification Number, is issued by the IRS to foreign entities doing business in the U.S., even if you're a U.S. citizen. Why is this important? Because when you structure your private trust as a foreign grantor trust, under IRS codes 671679, you gain access to a 98 series EIN, which separates your trust from your SSN and regular tax liability. It's how you go from public citizen to private entity. You're still in the system, but you're in control of your own vehicle. How to set it up, even if you're starting from scratch. 1. Learn the language. Understand terms like grantor, trustee, beneficiary, corpus, the assets, and trust indenture, the contract itself. This will help you avoid scams and assert yourself confidently. Draft a private trust agreement. Use trusted templates or legal help to draft a document that outlines your trust's purpose, powers, and rules. Make sure it aligns with common law principles. Appoint trustees, beneficiaries. The trustee manages the trust. Choose wisely. Beneficiaries are the ones who benefit from it. Can be you, your family, or your community. Get a 98 EIN. Call the IRS International Office and follow the Foreign Trust EIN application process. Form SS4. Use a non-US address for the trust if you want it to qualify as a foreign entity. Fund the trust. Place assets into the trust. That could be money, business interests, copyrights, real estate, etc. This is called funding the trust. Stay private. Don't register it with the state. Don't attach it to your personal SSN. Use the 98 EIN for banking and business. Keep all operations in the name of the trust. Operate with discipline. Your trust can open a bank account, get credit, own property, and even sue or be sued. Keep records. Follow the trust indenture. Never commingle personal and trust assets. Why this matters in 2025. Look around. CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, are being tested globally. 15-minute smart cities are about controlling movement, spending, and access. Digital ID is creeping in. The cost of living is skyrocketing. Social security is drying up. Jobs are being replaced by automation. Retirement accounts are bleeding. It's not fear, it's facts. The New World Order agenda isn't coming, it's here. And if you don't own your name, your labor, or your estate, someone else will. Other tools to consider. Common law LLCs, private businesses that don't register with the state. Private membership associations, PMAs. Great for wellness, educational, or faith-based communities. Silver gold, Real money that fights inflation and holds value. Private banking, IBC. Learn how to be your own bank through life insurance and trusts. Final word. You don't need a lawyer or $1 million. You just need information, discipline, and a desire to free yourself. If you're homeless, unemployed, or just waking up, start with knowledge. Learn about your straw man, study contract law. Start a small business or skill and run it through a trust. Protect your name, labor, and energy.